chest. Oh baby, I don't even want chest. Peeling off the top layer of skin. It's starting to feel like you never existed. Now it's not about lose or win. The ink staring at me feels very twisted. The ink wasn't even dry on the skin that made me cry. Wasn't long before the whole thing died, and you just get on with the line. It's not that I don't care anymore. I think I might just be feeling numb. So for now I'm just playing dumb. Peeling off the top layer of skin. It's starting to feel like you never existed. Now it's not about